Today we'll talk about how to access user mode, the main menu to set up all the information you need or the database you need. First, enter your password. Right now default password is 1. Press 1 and then press setup key. You will access the menu mode. Menu mode has the label setup, configuration, product. Also, they have time, date, password, about menu as well. The first one is label setup. If you press 1, will access label setup menu. It has not ID setup, company. You can select company. You can select label format and print method, best before days. The first, when you press number 1, you go to enter not ID. If enter, press F3 key, or you can press 2, go to company, select company. Number 3, you can choose the label type or the format. This is the format. In this case, we use 6. Press enter. And now press 4 is select print method. They have 4. The first one is called use setting. This means you will use print method in the product database for method. Or you can choose print only. That means you need to press print button every time to print the tickets. Or you can use auto print to print tickets. Auto print means if you put something on the scale, if above 1 kg, it will print the tickets. Or you can choose batch print. Batch print means you can print a bunch of tickets at same weight. Or for example, you have 1 package, you've got 10 packages. You want to print the same weight, same information. You can choose this batch print. In this case, we use print key only. Or the other 5 is the best before. You can choose best before days is, like for example, 10 days. Then we can press 9, go back. The second 2 is configuration menu. That is for company name. You can edit, delete, or export or import the company database. Like for example, 1, if you press 1, enter, you can enter your company name or other company information. 6 and 7. 6 is to export your database to USB drive, or you can import from USB drive. 3rd is product, same as company database. This you can add, edit, review, print, delete, export, import your product database. Uh, 6 and 7 to change the time date, the system time date. 8 to change the password. 9 to show the software name and version. 0 is to exit. This is how to set up database or other settings. Thank you for watching.